Alright, here's one of our damage claims that we have with FedEx. Box, as you can see, has not been opened yet. As you can see, the damage already on the outside of the box, the puncture holes. See right here. And then additionally. I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. Oh, as you can see, the package hasn't been opened yet. At the return center level right here. Okay.
Oh, so if we want to order. Okay, cool.
As you can see, the customer did properly pack the item. However, you do see that the item has been damaged in transit. Has clips already, as soon as I open, I can see the clips, it's already been broken off. Again, I'd like to repeat, the customer has packed the item well. Just to show you, we can already see that this broken piece of clip has already been broken off right here. We'll go ahead and inspect the other side. Customer did pack it inside well as well. As you can see, the headlights pretty much was moving around during transit. It's been pretty much beaten up pretty badly. As you can see, there's nothing too wrong on this side. However, we do have the other side with a broken clip, and it does like it's been damaged during transit. So it's just broken clip again. Alright, this concludes our video.